What is going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to another video. I got a real good treat for all my Mustang homies going on today. My boy Richard finally copped his brand new intake from American Muscle. Tell them what the vlog's about.
So first thing I'm going for is slapping this big beast in there. So we're gonna replace our stock intake manifold with this new Ford Racing intake manifold, and in the process of that we are going to be taking out the fuel injectors that were a measly, I want to say 16 pounds or 12 pounds from the factory, and putting these 80-pound injectors that are ready for force induction.
Jesus. Damn, you sound like you're really selling it. That's nice, dude. But let me see the merch. Unfortunately, that's my old merch, guys, but if you look up Area 64, it still comes up. ScattyVlogs, you see the back. New merch is on the way. New merch is on the way. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. It's here.
Stock.
You pushed 316 stock? 2010 GT?
That's what it says.
That's not good.
You know what's weird?
What?
It doesn't feel like that.
Oh, I'm sure it doesn't, but you have modifications on yours already, so.
True. The biggest thing would probably to go get it dynoed.
You think you could take down a Scat Pack?
As long as he doesn't know how to drive.
Oh, you'll get me for sure then. All right, Richard, how far are we into this?
We're kind of on the back end stretch, maybe. I'm just cleaning this guy out, and then all I have to do is prep my new manifold to get seated in, and then we're gonna start working with just putting everything back together.
Yeah, man, this build is gonna go crazy. I cannot wait to hear how it sounds. I feel like it's gonna sound just a little bit louder. You guys know Richard's already catless on the Mustang. And then, do you have headers, Richard? I forgot you took them off or not.
I just have my stock headers right
Okay,
now.
so you have the stock headers, and then, you know, you're gonna keep it loud.
I really do enjoy my exhaust setup right now.
Because I know you were talking about cutouts, and I think it's a good idea, because your shit is stupid loud.
I know. I don't know yet. Honestly, I kind of want to, but I do enjoy how it sounds right now. So.
Sounds great. Turn it on real quick.
The beauty and why we all came here. Ooh. Maybe I need to bend you a little bit more. Looks good for the moment.
Damn, dude. Yeah, dude. I don't know if your strut bar is gonna fit. As for step by step, guys, you guys gotta make sure to check out Richard's page. I'll put his link in the description below. So if you're gonna be doing something like this, check out his page. He'll have it all done in the same type of video. All right.
30 minutes.
Hey, he was killing it in all this heat. You were killing it. You see the Scatty over there? It's California for you, huh?
I know. During the summer.
Nice. Oh.
Oh, dude, it sits right on top. Sending custom tune to accessories, so it's gonna load up the tune, and then after that, I'll be able to actually flash it.
You excited? As of right now, everything new, including the tune you're putting in.
Stock headers. I used to have shorties, but I pulled them off and changed them out back to stock because it was easier for being state refed. JLT cold air intake, and I needed a tune for that. And then I just threw in this new Ford Racing intake manifold, 80-pound injectors. So she's ready to get, you know, basically force induced, but all I'm missing is something here or here.
She's ready to yank, huh?
Tune's done.
So tell, I'm broadcasting from my boy Richard's house once again. Richard, say what's up to the fans.
How's it going, guys?
Yep, you know my boy Richard. Again, I'll put his Instagram in the description as always. I know you guys can hear him back there chopping. My boy's gonna be taking me on a ride along today. Let us see it. Ooh, that's bad. That's nasty. That's
intake manifold. It can handle up to about 10 to 15 psi. So when I do get boosted, it's gonna be nasty.
Nice, nice.
Plus I already have 80-pound injectors to spit more fuel. With more air, more fuel, everything goes boom.
I'm digging it, and you are tuned.
And I am tuned.
Hey, explain this to your tune.
So I have my Bama V2 tune for this guy. The only problem with it is there's a little bit of lag because
there's not. No, I really hope there isn't.
Response is a little iffy in the beginning, because I'll put it down to the ground and it'll take a little bit of time to kind of get up, and that's the only thing, because unless I'm doing like a roll or something like that, I don't know if I'm going to be able to take off from the line anymore for the time being with this, which when I got the tune they said that it would be kind of like low RPM idle, and then also have like that little bit of like low response in the lower RPMs. Yeah. So my cold air is like right there. I don't know if you can hear that.
Ooh, he just stalled. He tried to rev it back at you, and I think he stalled. No!
It's all go on the line.
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, back up.
Ah, he's cheating, huh?
Yeah.
Don't be serious. Whoa, hey, he's revving this shit back. Yo, he's shooting at you.
But before my tune with everything regular, it wouldn't have. I don't know if I like it or not. I don't know if it helps or not yet. I'm losing that low RPM power.
Wow, yeah. Okay, so overall, your score on your bolt-ons, on what you did, and I'm talking everything that's on it. I'm talking your JLT, your space, your throttle body spacer, intake manifold, your exhaust setup. It's not done yet, or are you satisfied? You want that chop?
Yeah, that's what I think I want to do next, and it might make my bolt-on perform better, because at this point right now it's not doing what I really wanted to do. It's giving me a lot of lag and bullshit.
It was good though. Like, that shit sounded nice. I know for, I don't know, bro, maybe you did split flames. I know I actually seen him spit flames on the highway, went to the Mexico highway. I seen him spit flames when he was racing an RT. So he's capable of doing it. We hear sirens. What are you doing just chilling here? Go. Bro, shit. Yo. Bro, you're fucking stupid.
Dude, to be real, after I did that, I didn't know what I heard. Sirens or my tires squealing.
Another cop just passed us. Final comments on your Bama custom tune, your new American Muscle intake manifold, and
Ford Performance.
I'm sorry, Ford Performance intake manifold.
Don't buy one.
Okay, so you're disappointed a little
Go
bit.
with cams. I should have went with cams instead.
Nice. Now again, yours is the 2010
throttle body. Yeah.
2010 Mustang GT, 4.6 liter.
Do your research. Go with cams and a throttle body first, then add that on.
Nice.
I would suggest cold air, cams, throttle body, then full bolt-on.
Nice.
Unless you're gonna put a supercharger, then don't buy one. Bama told me that I couldn't run the E85 because I have to swap out some of the fuel system stuff instead of just the injector.
Okay, that's what you're talking about. The fuel pump, the fuel rails.
So many people just did, and they got a tune. So maybe I'll have to try somewhere else to maybe get that tune.
Next step, we're just gonna go straight for the cams.
I think we're gonna go straight for the cams.
I'm liking it.
I think cams. Is
I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm excited, dude.
Because
your Mustang is already to me the loudest Mustang in Fresno. In all honesty, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? So I can just imagine with cams. You know?
With the lope.
I'm gonna end the video right there, man. I hope you guys enjoyed my ride along with my boy Richard. You guys saw it. He gave you some good advice on the Ford Performance intake manifold, along with the Bama custom tune.
Do your cams. Don't forget to swap out some of those internals because the springs and the levers could break because they're not built that well.
But as always, man, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and don't leave without subscribing. And more importantly, leave me a comment. Like, say what's up. Like, let me get to know you guys a little bit. I'll throw a sub back. Send me you guys your Instagram, all that cool stuff. I'm always open to DMs and all that. I love chopping it up about everything. But y'all stay tuned. We got some big things coming. It's nothing but love on my end, and I'll see you next video.